ColourPop Supernova Shadow. ColourPop's extra glittery Supernova liquid shadows can be worn alone or added to your favorite eye color for an extra dose of sparkle. Pat McGrath Metalmorphosis 5 Kit. Pat McGrath's Metalmorphosis 5 line goes for complete accuracy in its metallic hues. You can purchase individual colors like gold, or splurge on the entire kit to up your going out looks. ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. ColourPop's Super Shock Shadows come in an array of colors including sparkling. Try one of their glitter effect shades for an extra glimmering look on your lids. Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Looking for a more subtle pop of glitter, Stila's Shimmer and Glow Liquid Shadows have you covered. With shades like Kitten a Nude Pink, Twig a Warm Chestnut, and Freedom a Tiffany-esque Aqua, there's a shadow for every occasion. Wet n Wild Hello Halo Liquid Highlighters. Wet n Wild dropped a new product line in December 2017, 7 liquid highlighters. The glowing, glittery shades include Goddess Glow a Deep Gold, Halographic a Vivid Lilac, and Rosy and Ready a Pretty Pink. Plus, they are all cruelty-free, and all but Rose and Ready are vegan. Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This glimmering eyeshadow by Stila provides the perfect final touch of shimmer to any festive look. The easy-to-use wand makes application a breeze, and the shadow's striking metallic sheen is so right for a disco night.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.